I'm obsessed with it. It doesn't have like a chapstick. It doesn't have a scent to it. It doesn't have like any, well, it doesn't really have a color, but it's just really, really moisturizing. Okay, anyways, moving on. Let me invite some of the people so they know that I'm on. Oh, hey. Hey. Oh. So let's keep it simple because I know I did not turn off my notifications. Good Lord. Okay, I'm just going to keep going. So today I'm going to keep it simple with CC cream. CC cream is color correcting. That's what we're doing today. We're going to color correct this mess. VFX primer. Hey. And I'm just going to get going and start. How's everyone day? So this primer is like a gel, but it's really clear. This is gonna smooth all those pores. Pretty simple. Hey. All right. I'll let that sit. Let's see. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah. I have it all set out, but I was like rambling and not really sure how we were gonna get this way. But all right, so I mixed two different colors of CC cream, light to medium to light. I just like that color combination for me. I do color matching for you, so you don't have to go through this stage of life of trying to find your foundation shade. I do that for you. Okay. It's kind of like don't let your friends drunk dial, don't let your friends color match without your approval first. I don't know where I was going with that. Okay, so CC cream, obviously I'm using a stiffle brush. You can use anything that you prefer to put on foundation. Now you can use a foundation brush. Let's see, where is it? I just had it. This is why I don't stand up to do my... I'm doing a new thing. Oh, there it is. Here you go. So you can do like a foundation, a brush with it. I kind of smooth everything out once I put it on. It does dry pretty quickly, so I don't know if that's an issue for you, but get it on your face, right? So then around the eye area, I just go really light and pack that color on so I can smooth that out. Because we're color correcting, right? So this is going to give you a medium coverage. Medium to full. I mean, you could definitely get a full coverage if you wanted to. It's just going to color correct everything and be a light day for you with this. Now you can mix and match. I personally love CC cream with the Stay Matte foundation that we have. Those two mixed together is perfect. So, and they're both affordable. So don't think I'm going to sell you something that you're not going to love. Okay? You're going to love it. CC cream is my jam. I talk about and rave about it all day long. This foundation right here literally put my $50 foundation back on the shelf. Okay? Here it is, if you really want to know what it was. But yeah. It's sitting on my shelf. Let me see. Don't forget your neck. Sometimes I forget. You don't want to be gobble gobble. You got to bring it all the way down to your neck. Now I'll teach you how to not have a gobble gobble if you really want to. Hey Jessica. Hey Heidi. But that's for a different video. We're keeping it simple today. We're not gonna contour or anything. Now, I will smooth it out with just like a foundation brush or our Farmasi brush. Just kind of smooth it out. And then I do set it with a pressed powder with Cool Light. In the shade Cool Light. And I just kind of set under the eyes around my T-zone. It's only going to be like in the 80s today. So, y'all, it's a struggle. If you don't struggle with Arizona heat, it's just, I'm crazy. Crazy. All right. So the next palette that you're going to want in your makeup bag, 3-in-1 palette. You guys, I use this every single day. Every single day. For every single look. Even on the eyes, you could use this on the eyes. I mean, I could do it today, but let's just do it. So I'm taking the bronzer. What's going up with it? Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is a cardio. Just kidding. All right, gives you a fresh face and you're good to go if you really just wanted the bronzer. Like, it just gives you a fresh look to you. It gives everything dimension, because I don't know who just goes out with just foundation. I think that looks you like more of a ghost than actually, you know, than anything else, than going free without makeup at all. So both work, but I just think that adding dimension to your face lifts you up, makes you awake, makes you ready for the day. And this is the highlight. Look at this glow. Oh, hey. Who doesn't like a little bit of glow to their life? I do. And you don't have to be a certain age to like glow, all right? You can all like glow. Okay, now I'm going to take this bronzer just right into my eyes here. All over. Listen, I didn't even do my brows yet, but we're just going to go with it. And you see how versatile this brush is? I'm all about versatile. I'm all about versatile products, versatile brushes. This is a 2-in-1. And it's only like $4. I need to add another one. Okay, and then I'm going to just add some highlight to the inner corner. Something simple. Simple makeup right here. This is how I do it. All right. Brow gel, definitely a must. Let's just. Now I get my brows tinted, so they're not this color all the time. So I just use rich brown color. That's the color, and I just kind of spin that down. Not get mascara. And then this just smooths it down. Pretty simple, guys. If you don't have a brow gel, get one. It saves your life. Like, takes your time down in half. Hey, sorry. Comments don't keep coming up. So, leave it to Facebook. I'm not ignoring you. They just don't want me to see you, which is weird. All right. See, I still have CC cream all over my hand still. And I did a pretty good number. Okay, what was I gonna, oh. Brow bone. Brow bone. Just to kind of shimmy, shimmy. Get a little shine there. Look at that. How simple is that? Like, I used it for everything. You could even use it for your lips if you really wanted to. Take this pink one. Let's do it. I don't care. Let's just do it. Okay. Let me find my lip brush to do this. And I may have to do my gloss at the end because I don't have the one that I want. Hi. Ooh, you bad girl. I'm just kidding. There you go. Oh, let's get mascara on. Because we can't forget the most important part of my routine. Just kidding. It seriously is. Mascara is my jam. Now, I will tell you, just like our foundations that you can mix and match, you can mix our mascaras. I like Zen because it has this silicone comb to comb up all the lashes. Let's remember to curl my lashes today because I don't always remember. This is a Farmasi eyelash curler. Also, this is like $4 as well. Like, hello. This is better. So, I'm using both together. Zen has the silicone comb, like I said before. I just like repeating myself. So see, this little comb gets all your little lashes, gets them combed up. You don't have to worry about forgetting the little pesky hairs in the middle and the inner. And I'm kind of running low. Not gonna lie, I need new mascara. I always tell you guys, 3 months, change it out. You need to change it out. But I need to get new ones. Katie, I am standing up for you. Yes, I am standing up for you. Meaning I'm standing up to do my makeup. I normally don't stand. I don't know. It's just weird. Like, for her, it's weird to sit, so. I'm like doing the power pose right now. Power pose. Superstar. That's what it is. Do you see? Did I even curl this lash? I don't even think I did. Nope, I sure didn't. Whoops. Well, we're just going to curl that. Okay. Then, and I know I said keep it simple, right? So, I use the extreme curl afterwards. And look at this. This is just Zen. This is both. Look at that volume. And I'm just going on the tips of my lashes with the extreme curl. I'm just letting you soak that in for a second. Moment of silence for all the lashes that you're gonna see. I don't really know what I'm talking about. Look at that. I don't need lashes. I don't need falsies. I just need extreme curl. Even on the bottom. Just gave my lashes a bump. There. Keep it simple. I did do my lip moisturizer before, but let's just do, let me see, Dusty Rose. Pretty nude. And there you go. Keep it simple. If you like to not reapply your lips, get some matte. Get some matte colors. We got them. We got them all. We got them all. We even got matte lipstick. Like, I haven't tried them yet. But that's supposed to be good. I'm going to take this off. Okay. So, here's that look. Look at those lashes. These lashes just take up the whole dang video. But, I'm just kidding. So, that's it. Keep it simple. CC cream. 3-in-1 palette for everything. Pressed powder to finish. And mascara and lip color. So 5 products, $60, around that range. CC cream, it's all, we can all kind of interchange anything that you want. Stick in with your budget and keep it simple. All right. So thank you for joining me this Thursday. I am Stephanie Young, beauty influencer with Farmasi, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.